Hello students, welcome back to my channel Shah Sir Classes and Shah Faisal Sir here. My dear students, today I am going to start a new session for you all. I hope you are finding difficult to face your exam 2 of class 10 Karnataka State Board Mathematics. So today is the session you no need to find difficult, you no need to face any problem. Okay, so I am here to help you out how to clear your mathematics paper of Karnataka State Board. And this video will be helpful for those students who have failed in exam 1 and also for those students who are willing to write once again the same exam to improve their marks. No need to worry, and Shasa is here. No need to get fear. My dear students, I just need a confirmation from you all whether the screen is visible and the audio is clear for you all. Please let me know fast. I need a clarification from you all. We are just going to wait for another 2 minutes because most of the students are joining for the session. So let even they join the session. Children, the screen is visible. You are not finding any difficulty. Mathematics final revision for the academic year 2024-25. And that if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you can find the instant notifications and updates from my site time to time. Okay, now we cannot wait much. So let's begin with today's session. Is now the sound is clear? Is my voice is clear? Okay, now let's start with today's session. Okay, observe here. See, children, if you want to clear your maths, first and foremost, all the teachers might have said you all, even I'm repeating the same thing, no much difference. So, how you prepared for exam 1, same manner you need to prepare for exam 2. Now, the questions are, sir, now this exam 2 paper will be difficult. Is exam 2 paper will be difficult? Sir, if maths paper comes easy, then science paper will come difficult. If you have any sort of doubts, no, not at all. Please ensure this point in your mind. The paper will not be easy and also it won't be difficult. It's everything depends upon your regular practice. How you have practiced, based on that, the paper will be easy and also the paper will be difficult. It doesn't matters a lot how will be the paper. Okay, just go ahead. Definitely you people can do wonders. Kindly don't get disheartened. Don't feel bad from your end that I have flunked in the paper. No, not at all. Still, you have got another opportunity. By the grace of Almighty, you have got one more chance to attempt and clear your exam. And also, it's my sincere advice for you all that don't think about exam 3. Might be exam 3 is there, but still, I want you all need to clear in exam 2 itself. Is this clear? Good. Now, the first and foremost, you have to practice theorems. My dear students, you have got 4 theorems which you need to practice. During exam 1 also I have said the same thing. Again, I'm repeating the same thing. You have got 4 theorems. Which are those? BPT theorem, A similarity criteria theorem. These both the theorems comes from the chapter triangles. And next we have one more theorem that is called as the tangent theorem and other one is your perpendicular theorem. This comes from the chapter circles. This comes from the chapter triangles. Is this clear? Now, if you have got any sort of doubts, sir, I don't know how to prove BPT, how to solve this theorem. Sir, even I have done the theorem in my exam, no doubt, but still I haven't got the full marks. Why I'm not getting? Whatever might be the reason, my advice for you all that please once again watch my video. Once again watch my video. Please ensure this point in yourself. Once again watch the video. In one video, I have covered all these 4 theorems. Please check the steps. How you were doing before. Now how you want to do after. Clear? So that's the reason I'm insisting you all that I'll share each and every link in the description of this video. Now the video what you're watching, the session what you are attending, after the end of this session, for each and every topic, I will be sharing with you all. I will be sharing with you all the links of the videos, my explanation, my exclusive explanation. Please once again watch the video and confirm whether the complete answer is right or wrong. Is any steps are missing? So I have created the video based upon the key of answers, answer key. Okay. So based on the answer key itself, the evaluators are going to give you the marks. So please check each and every step whether it is right or wrong. And also if you haven't practiced yet, no need to worry, no bother, nothing is to, okay, nothing you need to get frustrated. You can watch the video, make a note and practice. So these theorems will give you straight away in one shot 7 marks. It means you may get either 4 plus 3 or you may get 5 plus 3 marks. 4 plus 3 also you can expect, and even sometimes the theorem can be asked for 5 marks also. The chances are very high. 4 mark also the theorem can be asked, and even for 5 mark also the theorems can be asked. So 4 plus 3 and 5 plus 3. I hope you have understood what you need to do for mathematics. I hope the concept is clear for you all. Isn't it? Good. Now, after once we complete the theorem, sir, then next what I should study? Simple. After once you have completed your theorems part, then please come back to the graphical part. That is graph. They will give you two equations. Example might be the x plus y is equals to 5 and 2x minus y is equals to 10, something like this. They will be giving you two equations. They will be giving you two equations. You need to solve these equations. You need to solve these equations. I'll just give you the clear picture. You will be drawing x and y axis. Am I right? Okay, first plot this x and y. Write the coordinates of x and write the coordinates of y. And most of the students, what they do the mistake, I'm telling you this. They'll write xy, okay, x dash and y dash. My dear students, kindly don't forget to write the scale. Write scale as x-axis 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter, and then y-axis 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. Don't forget to write the scale. Please write the scale. Now for an example, let me say 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Let me say 1, 2, 3. Let me say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. I'm just telling you what mistakes you are going to do in the graph. Once you have plotted these values, after once you have completed these things, then next what we have to do? Again, next what we should do? I'm just showing you that part. Now suppose this is the coordinate and this is the coordinate. You have joined 3, comma 3. Suppose one more coordinate was there. Let me say it was minus 1 and plus 2. You have joined this coordinate. Once you have got, once if these two lines are intersecting lines, see children, the point of intersection where these two lines are joining with each other, from there just draw the dotted line where it meets, it's meeting at x equals 1. Again from here also, I'm just showing you an example. Let me say this is coordinate 3. Where it is joining at y. Then you have to write x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 3. Don't forget to write these final values, because we are plotting this graph only for the purpose, to find the values of x and y. Most of them just they will draw these lines and just they will leave up. Just they will leave as it is. They will leave as it is. Only these two lines intersected, over graph finished. No, not at all. Clear? Clear? Once you draw these two lines where they are meeting, from there just draw down one line and draw in the left hand side one line. So where it meets, it's meeting at 3. Where it meets, it's meeting at 1. Here it's meeting at 3. So that you can write x equals 1, y equals 3. Example, I'm just showing the example, not this answer. It is not this answer. Okay. Now, in case if you are finding difficulty, sir, I don't know how to plot the graph. No worries. I will share you the link in the description how to draw graph, how to plot the values of graph. If you know, well and good. Go ahead. Go to the next question. Clear? So the first question, once if you are starting practicing for mathematics, you have to start from the theorems. Straight away go with the theorems. Blindly go with the theorems. 100% you will get the marks. 100% you will get the question. So we have done with the two theorems, and then next we have done with the graph, so that we have achieved 4 marks. We have achieved 4 marks. Again, I am repeating, if you have any doubts with the theorem, no worries. Look at to the theorems video, you will get all the theorems. If you have a doubt with the graph, no worries, I'll share the video in that the graph part is covered. Okay. So that comes in the video. If you want, you can mention a note. in my recent videos, mathematics final revision. Recent videos, mathematics final revision. Okay, part 1. Part 1. Please make a note of this video name. Mathematics final revision part 1. In that, if you just scroll forward, just go forward in that video. In that, you can see I have covered the graph part in that. This is the title of the video, Mathematics Final Revision Part 1. Okay. Mathematics Final Revision, it's nothing but marathon session. No, I think final revision only. Yeah. Anyhow, I'll just write in the bracket over there. In this, what are the topics I have covered? No need to worry. Just click that video link and watch it. Practice. That's enough. It's more than sufficient. Clear? Clear? No doubts? Good. And next, after completing the theorems part and the graph part, I just want to tell you all that please, the next topic you need to practice, that is the problem based on mean, the problem based on mode, and the problem based on median. Kindly practice all these three. All these three to be in safer side. To be in safer side. Because many chances are there that either mean problem they'll give you simple, mode might be something trick they can do over there. Any kind of application type questions or find some unknown values also they can ask you. Like this, they can mismatch certain contents in that and they may ask you to solve that sum. Might be you may find difficult during that time. So that please practice problem based on mean, problem based on mode, and also the problems based on median. Okay, so how to solve this? If you have any doubts, I'll share the video link in the description how to solve this, because in this one session I cannot solve each and every problem here because we don't have that much sufficient time. Actually, I have made plenty of videos during exam 1. Right now, even I am busy with my schedule. But even though, because of the request of many students today have come live. Because for me, each and every student is one and the same. All are my students. If they are hurted, I am not so greedy that I can sit quiet. That is the only fact today I am in front of you all. I have made some time to show you and also to help you out what all you want to study and how you want to study to clear this academic year SSLC board exam. Please utilize this opportunity without fail. Every topic I have made the video. If you want the problem based on mean, mode or median, I'll share the link in the description. Please go ahead. Straight away you can achieve 3 marks from this. 3 marks from this. So now altogether we have covered 7 marks from the theorem side, 4 marks from the graph side, and statistics, that is mean, mode or median, 3 marks. So altogether we have covered around 14 marks. Students, it's so simple and so easy to score in math. No, not at all. You have to think a lot. No, not required. It's very easy. Seriously, I'm telling, it's very easy. And you believe or not, this academic year in our institute, we have achieved the highest mark in the total. The total highest mark the students who have scored is 623 out of 625. The next highest it was 622, the next highest 621, the next highest 619, the highest next highest 617, and so on. And the highest marks in math, science, or social, or Kannada, it is 100 of 100. What I have taught to them all? Same thing what I am teaching you now here, the same thing even I have taught to them. When they can score these marks, then why you can't? Question yourself. When these people can score these marks, then why you can't score these marks? It's just only because of one reason, lack of practice. I want you need a lots of practice. Write and practice, write and practice, write and practice. Of course, you can achieve. So altogether, right now we have covered around 14 marks questions. 14 marks. Okay, now we are very near. Now we are very near to score, to pass. Clear? Good. The next thing, what we want to study. So, what I want to study next after this? It's very simple. There is a topic called as elimination method in the chapter pair of linear equations. Elimination method. In the chapter pair of linear equations, there is a topic called as elimination method. Kindly solve this topic. Kindly solve this topic. Easily you people can score 2 marks. And the next topic you want to practice, see children, the topics what all I am mentioning here, from these all topics, 100% one question you will get for 2 marks. I mean 100% the questions will be asked. Solve the topic elimination method and solve the topic factorization method, factorization method, or you can just take it as zeros of the polynomial. See children, both are same, both the procedures are same, but only the names are different, honestly speaking. Either you solve the equation, see, in case if they use factorization method, maybe they may give you x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. Solve. The question will be asked for you like this. Solve x square minus 7x plus 12 equals 0 by using factorization method. Sometimes they may give you the same question if p of x is equals to x square minus 7x plus 12. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Solve the equation. See here, both the steps are same, both the problems are same, but way of asking the heading, the question is different, but problem solution remains same. Here also, if you are so going to solve, you will get two values of x. Here also, if you are going to solve, you will be getting two values of x. Same procedure, same steps you have to follow. The steps remain same. The procedure of solving the problem remains same. But definitely you can expect a question from factorization method also and sometimes from the zeros of the polynomial also. It's like one shot, two questions you are going to get. In one shot, you are getting two answers. Same problem we have to solve twice, nothing else. So here, let me consider this topic, solve the pair of linear equations. Factorization method, it comes from the chapter quadratic equation, and zeros of the polynomial, it comes from the chapter polynomials. From even this, from this side, let me take as minimum 2 marks as of now. As of now. So elimination method, we have got 2 marks. Let me take either a factorization method or zeros of the polynomial around 2 marks. So the next what I want to study, sir, to clear mind, from where I can get 100% question. 100% I will get the question, sir. I cannot study everything, sir. Sir, if I study also, I am forgetting, sir. No, I am not getting what to study, sir. Sir, how I want to pass, sir? Sir, please help me. I want to pass maths. Sir, please help me. I want to clear SSLC this year exams. Sir, I am a only child, sir. Please help me, sir. I want to pass maths, sir. You give me any question, sir. I am ready to solve, sir. You may have got any problems. Believe me, for all problems, this is a single tablet. This is a single remedy. The topics, what all I am giving, sit and practice. Nothing else. Is this clear? Concept is clear? So elimination topic, you will be getting a 2 mark question, and factorization method or zeros of the polynomial, let me take 2 mark questions. So these two topics are very, very, very highly important. I can tell you this much. And the next topic is, they may ask you, find the discriminant. Find the discriminant, or write the nature of the roots. Write the nature of the roots. My dear students, especially with respect to this problem, I can tell you one thing. Sometimes you will get a direct question like this. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation, or write the nature of the roots of the given quadratic equation. It's a direct question. Sometimes they may give you the question like this: x square minus let me say px plus 2 is equals to 0, x square minus px plus 2 is equals to 0. Understood? Whose roots are real and equal. Whose roots are real and equal. Find the value of p. Like this they may ask you. Or sometimes find the value of k. They may ask you the question. Even this question also you are supposed to solve by using this method only. By using this method only. Based on discriminant, you may get direct questions. Sometimes they will give you the nature of the root. They are telling that the roots are real and equal. It means that they have already said that delta equals 0. If delta is 0, if roots are equal, use the condition delta equals 0 and find the value of k or p, whatever the unknowns are given for there. How to solve this? Don't worry. I'll share the link with you all. I have made everything ready, children. It's just ready to it, nothing else. I'll share the link. How to solve the problems based on these topics. Don't worry. I'll share you. My explanation is there. Watch it. Nothing. Just watch. Make a note. Try with other problems. That also I will give you. How to try the problems. Don't worry. So this is one of the most important topic. Here also you can expect around 2 mark question. And the next topic you need to concentrate, that is prove irrational number. Prove irrational number. My dear students, based on prove irrational number, sometimes you can expect a question for 2 marks and sometimes the question can be expected for 3 marks. In case if they ask you prove that 5 minus root 3 is irrational, prove that 3 plus root 5 is irrational, prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational, this all carries 2 marks. In case if they give you the question, prove that root 2 is irrational, prove that root 3 is irrational, prove that root 5 is irrational, then this question carries 3 marks. That's it, nothing else. So you need to prove a rational number where they can ask you the question based on either for 2 marks, if not for 3 marks. How to prove irrational number? I'll share the link. I have made the video. Please follow the steps, nothing else. And the next topic which you want to concentrate, that is find the HCF and LCM. Find the HCF and LCM. Find the HCF and LCM. Or find the prime factors. Find the prime factors. Or state fundamental theorem of arithmetic. State fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Or what is composite number? What is composite number? Among two values, they'll give example 21 and 23. Among 21 and 23, which is the composite number identifier? Like this, some basic questions are there. So like this, some basic questions are there. Next topic you need to concentrate, that is coordinate geometry. Very easy chapter, very simple chapter. Please remember midpoint formula. Please remember distance formula, midpoint formula, distance formula, and also remember section formula. Remember these 3 formulas. Either on midpoint or distance formula you can expect either 1 mark or 2 mark question. But 100% sure you will get one question based on section formula for 2 marks. 100%. You can expect a question based on section formula for 2 marks. Which is that question? Find the coordinates of a point which divides a line 2, 3 and 1, 5 in the ratio 2:3. Like this you can expect a question. Even you can just look at the question in the recent question paper. The paper which you have written exam 1. They have given the ratio 2:3 or 3:2 or something like this. It divides a line in the ratio 2:3, 3:2. So anyhow, I have covered the topic. In that I have shown which type of questions will come. So in case if you are going to study this topic, you can easily around say you can score 2 marks. And again from either your midpoint formula or distance formula, you can get either 1 mark or 2 mark question. Now what else is needed? Now what else is required for you all? You tell me that. Is this not sufficient? Is these all topics are not easy for you to score? Tell. You can do this much, right? Let me know first. Quick. You can't do this much. You all can do, right? Now, how many marks have we covered till now? As you can see, elimination method 2 marks, factorization method 2 marks, discriminant or nature of the roots 2 marks, prove irrational number 2 marks. As I can see here, how many marks we have covered? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. I'm just taking minimum marks. 8 plus 2 10 and 10 plus 2 12 marks and around 12 to 14 marks. Only if you are going to study this much, it is around 12 to 14 marks we have covered. Only from these topics which I have mentioned here above. Above the topics which all I have mentioned, only from these topics you can score 12 to 14 marks. So already we have got 14 marks before. Now here around 14 marks, that's nothing but 28 marks. 28 marks. So, what I should study for 1 mark questions? How I want to solve? Even for this, I have made a video that is Maths Marathon session. Maths Marathon. You can see in the recent videos, Maths Marathon session part 1. Maths Marathon session part 1. In that, you can just see I have covered all the questions related to 1 mark and how you want to solve 1 mark questions. What is the logic you have to maintain? What is the shortcut technique you want to use to solve 1 mark questions? I have covered those all 1 mark questions in that video. Even from that video, you can expect around 16 marks questions. Only 1 mark. 8 plus 8, 16 marks easily you can score. Only from that session. Only from that session. Now what else is required to pass math? Here itself we have scored around 28 and here itself we have got around 16. It's not passing. Now you are in a state to score, not just pass. You are in a state to score now here. Now what else is required? Tell me first. Is it not sufficient to clear math? Tell me. Is this is not sufficient to clear mathematics? Is it so difficult to clear math? Tell. Then how come you people have failed? How come you people have scored so less marks? When the paper was so easy, when the contents was given to you all, when the information has shared to you all, your teachers have worked hard so much to you all, then why the marks is so less? Question yourself. Today you might have done this mistake, but please don't do this mistake tomorrow. Today someone is there to hold your hand. It's not like that every time someone will be there to hold your hand. We have come alone and we should go alone itself. No one will come and stay with us. We are just alone. Remember this point. Now, your days are bad. Which friend is coming and holding your hand? You tell me that first. Who is coming and holding your hand today? Those days, imagine with whom all you were roaming, chatting, jiggling, wasting your time. Now, who is coming and holding your hand as if no? No, not at all. No one will come to us. You are the only one and you should be the only one. Remember this point. So please kindly sit and practice and make sure that you are going to clear this exam in a single shot. Clear this exam in a single shot. Remember this point. Clear? Good. Now, after this topic, we have a chapter called as polynomials. In the chapter polynomials, as I said you that find the zeros of the polynomial, find the zeros of the polynomial and hence they may ask you the question this and hence verify the relationship and hence verify the relationship between the zeros and their coefficient between the zeros and their coefficients. They may ask you this question. They'll give you the zeros of the polynomial, some equation. Just now as I gave you example x square minus 7x plus 12. This is the given polynomial. So you have to find the zeros and also you have to verify. This comes in your second exercise. Exercise number 2. You can see question number 1 of the chapter polynomials. It is one of the most important question. And remember the topic sum of zeros, formulas, product of zeros, formulas, and not least, not more. This one more topic. Find the 20th term of an AP. Find the 20th term of an AP. Let me say 1, 3, 5 and so on. Or find the sum of first 20 terms. Find the sum of first 20 terms of AP. They may give you the question like this. Okay, 2, 4, 6 and so on. Example I am just telling you. So even here also you can expect easily 2 marks. Easily 2 marks. Find the nth term, 20th term, 25th term, any term. And find the sum of first 20 terms, any term. Or find the number of terms in an AP. Find the number of terms in an AP. They may give you the question. Might be like 5, 10, 15 and so on till let me say 100. They may ask you the question here. Find the number of terms in an AP. Find the 20th term of an AP. Find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP. Like this, you can expect the question for 2 marks. Any question out of this. Sum of zeros, product of zeros, find the nth term, find the sum of n terms. These all topics are one of the most important topics. Don't hesitate to solve these sums. Clear? Clear? Any doubts? Good. And remember the formulas of general term of an AP, general term of an AP, standard form of AP, general term of AP, standard form of AP, distance formula, coordinate geometry formulas, coordinate geometry formulas, empirical relationship, empirical relationship between mean, mode and median. Empirical relationship between mean, mode, median. And also at least you can study trigonometric ratios. Try to study this part, children. Very easy. And also standard angle stable. If you know this standard angle stable, also easily you can score very good marks. Standard angle stable and trigonometric ratios. And in the chapter surface areas and volumes, in this chapter at least try to remember their formulas. Try to remember their formulas. Surface areas and volume. Surface areas and volume. Remember the formulas. Because if you know the formula, at least you may get 1 to 2 marks from the chapter surface area and volume. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts still here? Is the concept is clear for you all? Tell me fast. Is the concept is clear? Understood what all you want to study and how you want to plan to study? So children, so today's session I'll be sharing you the topics what all I have given you here, the YouTube link. I'll share you the YouTube link how to solve the problems. And after sharing the links, after I share the link, I will make a question paper. I'll be going to make a question paper. Okay, I'll prepare a question paper and I will be sharing that question paper. I'll be going to share that question paper in my YouTube channel. So I think so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Around 5 papers I'll share you the question paper. Only based on these topics what all I have mentioned here. Only just you solve those things. First you practice and then do the test for this paper. Now, it's compulsory that you want to practice your model question paper. This academic year, model question paper number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now the topics what all I have given, no? Yeah, based on these all topics in these all model papers, questions are there. Only just take that question, take the topic in model paper 1, which question they have asked. Search, practice. 2, 3, 4. And next, your state level preparatory question paper. State level preparatory question paper. Solve. And your last final exam question paper. Your final exam question paper. So these are the sources you want to practice. Just no need to search for any book, no need to find anything. Just practice the questions from your model question paper, which is released from the KSEAB board, your SSLC board, which has released this year model question paper. Sir, I don't have this model question paper. What I should do? Even for that, also I'll share the link in my YouTube channel in this description. Don't worry. When Shah sir is here, no need to get fear. Remember, KSEAB, SSLC, model question papers also I'll share. Understood. State level paper might be you people may be having. If not, you can let me know. I'll help you out. Even final question paper also is with you all. Even that also, if it is not there, you can ask me. I'll share you the link for that. So the topics what all I have shared above, जो भी topics अभी मैं आपसे share किया हो, ये पूरे papers में search कीजिए. First topic, model paper 1 में क्या question पूछा गया है, model paper 2 में क्या question पूछा गया है, model paper 3, model paper 4, state level, final paper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means that for if you are going to solve all the topics which I mentioned above, you are getting 6 questions. For every topic, you are solving 6 questions. Now, you don't need to practice any previous year question papers, not at all required. Just follow your model question papers, 4 papers, state level preparatory paper and final paper. That's enough. That's enough. Because if you know the procedure, let they give any values, we can solve. Understood? As if now, please practice your model papers, 4 papers, state preparatory paper and final paper. That's sufficient. That's sufficient. Nothing else is required. Concept is clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? No. Any doubts? Please, you can ask me if you have got any doubts. Quick. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to wind up this class. Any doubts? No doubts? Quick. No doubts? Okay. My dear students, I hope this session was interesting and helpful for you all. I have done my best from my side how much I can help you out for this paper. So I have shown you the easiest topics, easiest concepts from where all easily you people can pass and you can get through this exam. Okay, now sit and just practice. That's sufficient. And yet, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Shastra's Classes, kindly do subscribe and share this video with your all friends. Let they also get benefited out of this and clear this academic board exam. Thank you. Take care. All the best. Keep watching to my YouTube channel and also utilize the contents as much as possible and secure a good position, a good rank in your upcoming board exam. Take care. All the best.